What's going on, my people? So welcome back to today's cut. So today I'm going to show you the 3 gauges that you guys are going to need to give this mid fade that I'm about to present to you guys now. The number one, thick number one with the clip at the end. This is a gauge that you're going to need. Then you're going to need the flat surface number one. You hear me say it all the time in this video, the flat surface number one and the thick number one. The thick number one has the little clip at the end. The flat surface doesn't have nothing. So you have to hold it with 2 hands. So you got to make sure you're experienced when you're using this. And the third is the 1-2 millimeters. This is what you're going to use to blend the 0.5 and the number one, the line that's Stu showing. And this is the 3 gauges that you need. And the 0.5 that's going to, of course, that's with the clippers already. So 0.5, 1-2 millimeters, flat surface number one, and the thicker number one that I'm using, right? So these are all you need to give this fade that I'm about to show you guys. Let's get into the video. So first and foremost, I'm going to start with the borderline. I'm going to hit it from the temple side all the way to the back of the client's hair. And then I'm going to work on the other side and do the same thing. So the next step, I'm going to be debunking with a number one open guard with the thick number one that I showed you guys earlier on. I'm going to do this all over the surface of the client's head. And as time goes on, I work my way down to the flat surface number one. So now, after I've got the level of the debunking that I want out the way, I'm using the flat number one to actually lay down the hair nice and smooth so I don't have no hair sticking out in the process when I'm about to do the fade. Now the next step, I'm using a holding spray, hairline holding spray. I got that in the description below, so don't worry about that, guys. One of the reasons why I like to use the holding spray, it lays down the hair smoothly. Then I proceed with brushing the hair forward. So then when I want to shape it up, I know I'm going to get that crispy effect. Remember, guys, when you're shaping up a client's hair, always make sure you start in the middle of the client, work your way to the side, left, right, depending on what side is best for you. But make sure you start in the middle at all time. So now the next step, I'm using a 0.5 open up guard, and I'm going to be cutting all the way to 20% of the tempo of the client's hair. When I'm done with that, I'm going to close up the same 0.5 to get rid of the line between the skin and the 0.5. Remember this, yeah, the strategy stays the same. If I'm actually trying to get rid of another line between the 0.5 and the number 1, I'm using the same strategy, guys. This time it's just going to be different gauges. Remember, the strategy always stays the same. No need to change something that's fixed already, guys. So the next step I'm using is a flat surface number 1. This is going to allow me to have a nice even level to play with when it's time to fade it off with a 1-2 millimeter. One of the reasons why I prefer using a flat surface, guys, than the bulky number 1, because the bulky number 1 is only for debunking when you're going with the grain. When you're fading, guys, purchase yourself a flat surface number 1. I am going to add that in the description below. Don't worry, everything that I'm using in this video will be added in my description below, guys. Sometimes, guys, you're going to come into a crossroad where you can see a little bit of shadow line between the 0.5 and the number 1. You're going to see that line that's going to be bulky. It's going to show. It's going to be hard for you to actually fade it off with a 1-2 millimeter. Get as low as possible with the 1-2 millimeter. And then after that, get yourself a 0.5 open up guard and pick at the line. And that allows it to fade away nicely while you continuously keep brushing. So I'm gonna give you a little strategy when you're shaping up a client's beard. You know, sometimes you can be shaping a client's beard the same way you're shaping his hairline. You can be dragging the beard hairline all the way down to the bottom of the chin, and the client might not like that. So I advise you guys to shape upwards, and this way you can actually keep the natural line of the client's beard and at the same time making it look as sharp as possible. That gives you a nice baseline to work with. And also you can see from the beginning what you're doing. If you're shaping downwards, you can't see where the teeth of the trimmer is aiming for. So when you shape upwards, you can see exactly what line you're creating when you're shaping up your client's beard. So guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you press the like button. Also make sure to subscribe. I've got you guys with the playlist as well. Check out my channel, you're gonna see it all. That's gonna help all you guys that's new to barbering. I wish you guys nothing but the best. More success is gonna come your ways, most definitely. And remember, just keep learning, guys, and you be good. Peace.